it is Wednesday, and if you don't know yet, I work from home on Wednesdays. It's still very early, guys. So it's still 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock in the morning. I'm still sleepy actually, but Paris woke up early. I think it was 5 o'clock when she woke up, and she woke up when Mike left for work, and so I didn't go to sleep again, but I put Paris back to bed, and she's still sleeping now, so I'm just gonna get ready. Hi guys, so it is lunch break for me, so I'm just gonna take Paris for a quick walk. Hi? Hi? And yeah, so we'll just walk to the post office because we have to post something again, and it's a bit cold today actually. I know the sun is up, but it is pretty cool. Like, I think it's only 18 or 16 degrees, which and it's windy as well. You probably can hear that on the video. So here's Paris. Hello, sweetie. Hello, are you warm? Yeah, she looks warm. Are you warm, honey? And my buang, guys. Oh Lord, it has been raining. Actually, last night was so hard. It was pouring, and also earlier today. Because now it's nearly 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Dogs are barking. Nonetheless, it's a nice day. So, and also, Paris loves her walk. She loves her pram, don't you, honey? Paris Nicole? Paris Nicole. she's getting big, guys. Okay? Yeah, let's go. Fail. But this is so funny. Pick me, I'm single. Unfortunately, I'm taken, so I can't pick you up. We're home and have a look. What's this baby doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? You can do it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, you're a silly girl. Come on, sweetie. Dada. Come on, get out here. What did you do? Princess? Were you silly? Were you silly? Do you want to say hi, honey? First. So yeah, guys, back to work na naman. See ya, catch. And I am just cooking. At the moment, I'm making noodles. So I'm making these with an egg. Yes, bird. Okay. Yes, where is it? Where's the bird? Hush. Good job, honey. Yes, you make Mama very happy and very proud. Yes, it's okay. Quick, no. Yes, airplane. Stay there.
Hey.
It's okay.
Ta để ý cần nói.
It's okay. Mama will help. Hi guys, Dada and Paris now in bed. They are both sleeping now. And I am in Mimi's bedroom because we're doing some video calling with the family in the Philippines. And yes, so we're going to end the vlog here. I will see you guys in the next video. And don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Bye. Bye, me. Bye. Sila mo. Bye. Bye sa vlogs, P. Ni ate.